Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Jasmy. So Jasmy on the weekly time frame, we are trading at 0.02595. And I do apologize in the last video if I did say hammer candlestick. I do apologize for that. This candlestick here that I'm observing is possibly a hanging man candlestick. And normally with a hanging man candlestick observed at the very top of a peak, especially close to an area of resistance, is known for a reversal on the downside. So because Jasmy has approached closer to, trying to break through this area of resistance at 0.02548, then seeing this hanging man candlestick itself, we may see a natural pullback in the next couple of weeks to come. In terms of the RSI itself, it is 62%. So it is still in the bullish territory because it's not considered as overbought here. Normally around the 70% here is where we see the overbought territory here. So there is still chances for the bulls to continue this rise as we see the MACD indicator is still showing that bullish momentum. So we are going to be observing this for the next couple of weeks to come to see if Jasmy is able to basically close above this resistance line and continue to hit multiple resistance afterwards. Now heading over to our daily time frame here, we notice that Jasmy did a recent pullback from that high coming down to that area of support. And what we can observe here and kind of use for future reference is the 50% at 0.0226 is a good area for a support. So if we do those natural pullbacks or if we see the price declining, this would be an area of confluence, just basically an area of attention where both buyers and sellers may take a look at to see how we do react at this level. Now, if we do take a look again at the RSI, kind of similar to the weekly time frame, 66%, still not considered as overbought here. We can see overbought is around 75% to 74%. So there is still some wiggle room itself to come up and retest this immediate resistance here at 0.0265 on the daily time frame. What may be cooling down a little bit is the momentum. We do see the MACD indicator a little bit. The histogram or these bars are kind of the same as the previous 2 days in candlesticks that we do see. So we may not see that strength, but again, this hour or this daily candlestick has not closed quite yet. So we may see a little bit more bullish momentum coming from the bulls itself. Now, zooming in closer to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price itself did a good bullish reversal here. So price kind of broke out from our ascending channel, coming up to resistance, hitting resistance once again, and then coming down and broke support here. What we really need to observe as well here is that the price came down close to our 20 moving average. So normally when prices come down to moving averages, yes, that's an area of support, but also it does kind of weaken that bullish momentum. But it did hold on strong close to the 50% of our fib at 0.02443. Now we may be retesting this area of resistance here, our immediate resistance from that last peak that we did see at 0.02645. Depending on the volume, we do see a spike in the volume nicely, and we do see the MACD indicator showing us bullish momentum. So considering all of these three time frames, it does seem like Jasmy is at a critical point here. We are seeing that resistance area in the immediate short term of 0.02645. Essentially, if the bulls are able to reclaim and break above this area of resistance, then the price is going to move on for Jasmy. We're going to see a nice break above or hopefully close above the 2676 in the 61%, which is a golden ratio on our weekly time frame. However, if the resistance holds and we get rejected, a pullback may be coming in for Jasmy or possible consolidation. We may see the price moving from resistance here at the 0.0265 coming down and retesting the 50% as an area of support, the 0.0226. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.